This quick guide will teach you how to update the Klaviyo API. Whether you're adding new functionalities to your application or ensuring your integrations are up to date, updating your Klaviyo API keys is essential. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this update as seamless as possible. First, you'll need to open your Klaviyo account dashboard. This is where you manage all your account settings and configurations. Make sure you're logged in with the appropriate credentials that have access to the API settings. If you're not logged in already, enter your email and password to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this option on the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select API keys. This section is crucial as it houses all the API keys associated with your account, whether they're existing keys or ones you're about to create. Now, within the API keys section, you have the option to either update existing keys or create new ones. If you're updating an existing key, simply find the key you wish to modify and select it. However, if you need to create a new API key, you'll see an option to Create API Key. Click on this to generate a new one. Whether updating or creating a key, it's vital to choose the appropriate scopes for your API key. Scopes define what the API key can access and modify within your Klaviyo account. For the purpose of most integrations, you'll want to select the strict read-write scopes. This ensures that your scripts have the necessary permissions to read from and write to your data as needed. Be mindful when setting these permissions to avoid granting unnecessary access that could compromise your data security. Once you've set the desired scopes for your API key, make sure to save your changes. If you've created a new key, take note of it immediately. You'll need to copy this key and store it securely in your application or integration settings. Remember, API keys are sensitive credentials, so treat them like passwords. And that's it! You've successfully updated or created a Klaviyo API key with the necessary read-write scopes. By keeping your API keys updated, you ensure your integrations with Klaviyo remain functional and secure. If you run into any issues or need further customization, Klaviyo's support documentation or community forums can be a great resource for additional guidance. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to manage your Klaviyo API keys confidently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.